Ever had those moments where you get a brilliant code snippet, a killer marketing copy, or a deep analysis from Claude, only to lose it in a messy, endless chat history later? Stop wasting your time copying and pasting manually. Check out this Chrome extension called Claude AI to Notion. Look at this. You just click the extension, pick your Notion database, hit Save to Notion, and boom, it's done in a second. It completely preserves your Markdown formatting, code blocks, and context, sending them straight into your Notion workspace. Building your second brain has never been this seamless. But here's the real game changer. It supports batch save to export multiple chats at once, and you can even enable auto-sync for recurring background backups. You focus on prompting, and let this tool handle the organizing. Stop letting your best AI conversations sit forgotten in your browser tabs. Go grab Claude AI to Notion on the Chrome Web Store right now. Drop a like and follow for more productivity hacks like this.